Welcome to the Mongolian lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations. Nom, which means book. Nom. Nom. Hayır nom, which means two books. Hayır nom. Hayır nom. In both nom, which means this is a book. In both nom. In both nom. This is a conversation between two individuals. The first speaker asked, "In your way, what is this?" The second speaker responded, "In both nom. This is a book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In your way. In both nom. This is another conversation between two individuals. The first speaker points from a distance and asks, "Tir your way. What is that?" The second speaker responds, "Tir both nom. That is a book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Tir your way. Tir both nom. This is a conversation between you and your friend. Your friend curiously asked, "In yamar nom be? What book is this?" You replied, "In both Mongols hisni nom." This is a Mongolian language book. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In yamar nom be? In both Mongols hisni nom. Tuni is a gender-neutral expression of third-person possession in Mongolian language. For example, in both Tuni nom, which means this is his book, or this is her book. This is a continuation of the previous conversation. Your friend proceeded to ask, "In hini nom be? Whose book is this?" You gestured at the direction where your classmate was sitting and responded, "In both Tuni nom. This is her book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In hini nom be? In both Tuni nom. This is a conversation between you and your classmate. Your classmate inquired, "In chini nomo? Is this your book?" You responded, "In both mini nom. This is my book." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In chini nomo? In both mini nom. Bit is a versatile expression in Mongolian language, which is used to refer to plural pronouns we and yas. Minikir, which means my home. Minikir. Minikir. Bitnikir, which means our home. Bitnikir. Bitnikir. Hinikirve, which means first home. Hinikirve. Hinikirve. In hinikirve, which means whose home is this? In hinikirve. In hinikirve. This is a conversation between you and your friend. You curiously asked, "In hinikirve. Whose home is this?" Your friend responded, "In both minikir. This is my home." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In hinikirve. In both minikir. This is a conversation between you and your sister. You have recently moved into an apartment in the city, and it's her first time visiting. She looks around curiously and asks, "In hinikirve. Whose home is this?" You replied, "In both bitnikir. This is our home. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Энэ хиний гэр вэ? Энэ бол бидний гэр. Чамд Монгол найз байгаа юу? Which means, do you have Mongolian friends? Чамд Монгол найз байгаа юу? Чамд Монгол найз байгаа юу? Надад Монгол найзууд байгаа. Which means, I have Mongolian friends. Надад Монгол найзууд байгаа. Надад Монгол найзууд байгаа. Надад Монгол найзууд байхгүй. Which means, I don't have Mongolian friends. Надад Монгол найзууд байхгүй. Надад Монгол найзууд байхгүй. This is a conversation between you and your friend. Both of you are learning Mongolian language for quite a while. Your friend was quite amazed by the progress you have made and curiously asked, Чамд Монгол найз байгаа юу? Do you have Mongolian friends? You responded, Надад Монгол найзууд байгаа. Чамаар юу байна? I have Mongolian friends. How about you? Your friend was glad to know and responded, Надад Монгол найзууд байхгүй. I don't have Mongolian friends. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Чамд Монгол найз байгаа юу? Надад Монгол найзууд байгаа. Чамаар юу байна? Надад Монгол найзууд байхгүй. Гурван хүн, which means 3 people. Гурван хүн. Гурван хүн. Таван хүн, which means 5 people. Таван хүн. Таван хүн. Танай гэр бүлд хэдэн хүн байдаг вэ? Which means, how many people are there in your family? Танай гэр бүлд хэдэн хүн байдаг вэ? Танай гэр бүлд хэдэн хүн байдаг вэ? Манай гэр бүлд 3 хүн байдаг. Which means, there are 3 people in my family. Манай гэр бүлд 3 хүн байдаг. Манай гэр бүлд 3 хүн байдаг. We shall conclude this lesson with a conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. She curiously asked, Танай гэр бүлд хэдэн хүн байдаг вэ? How many people are there in your family? You responded, Манай гэр бүлд 3 хүн байдаг. There are 3 people in my family. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Танай гэр бүлд хэдэн хүн байдаг вэ? Манай гэр бүлд 3 хүн байдаг. Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Mongolian lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.